There's no running from the truth. We're all going to get a little older. However, there's something you can do right now to look and feel great while you do it. It's the power of Pilates. It can help anti-age your body from head to toe. Joining me are Liana, Lisa, and Melisha. These are three self-described, I didn't say this, they're calling themselves Pilates virgins. They've never tried it before. So what do you know about Pilates?
Well, I know that celebrities do it, and it's very expensive.
I know they have some crazy machines out there, and they look very intimidating, so I kind of stay away.
So what do you do right now to keep so youthful?
Well, I'm kind of active, but I try to go to the gym, but I'm up and down. It's never frequent, you know, on a regular basis.
So I'm going to bust your myths about Pilates, because it's not just for rich people. And it's not a crazy thing you've got to go to a gym for. You actually can do it at home. You can learn all about it. Come on over. Pilates guru Richie Mastascusa says this routine will help us feel younger and look better for years to come. So take your spots on the mat there. Richie, welcome to the show. All right, so you just heard it. It's for rich people. You got to have big machines. It's crazy, convoluted. You got to get special people to teach it to you. You actually argue it's not true at all. You can do it right now at home.
Absolutely. The price of Pilates is different now. With group classes, it makes it much more affordable and accessible for everybody and every body.
So explain to me specifically when you're doing it, how do you think about the body? What specifically are you changing?
Well, there are 4 planes of movement that the healthy body needs to move in to stay young. We have flexion, we have extension, we have side bending, and we have rotation. Right. That with Pilates, you're going to improve your flexibility, you're going to strengthen your core, and you're going to increase your range of motion. It just gets rid of that old feeling, you know?
Okay, you got 3 exercises. We're all going to do this together. I haven't done these yet either, so we're going to find out. I'm going to kick my shoes off here. There, and don't get hurt. All right, good.
Right.
All right, show us the first one.
Okay, the first exercise is bridging. So we're going to sit down, ladies, and Dr. Oz. And we're going to put our hands behind our thighs, and we're going to round the spine down. Now, breathing is the #1 principle in Pilates. So we got to breathe. We inhale through your nose, and we exhale through the mouth, and you lift the hips up to the sky, keeping those ribs in. Now, we take an inhale and exhale. We round the spine down like a string of pearls, dropping 1 pearl at a time back onto the mat. And now we do that again. We take an inhale, and we exhale. We pick the hips up. And now we're working the glutes, the hamstrings, the core, the spine. It's a 4-in-1 exercise. And take an inhale and exhale. We're going to round the spine down, dropping 1 pearl.
This feels good, actually.
Yeah.
Surprising.
And take an inhale and exhale. We're going to do 1 more. And pick the hips up. Now hold it. Now you're doing so fierce, you're going to get a bonus. A booty bonus. Drop the hips halfway down and pulse the hips up 6 times, tightening the booty. 1, 2, tighten 3, 4, 5. Now hold it, hold it. And you're gonna roll the spine all the way down. There's your booty blast, ladies. Excellent, stay there.
Stay here?
Yeah, stay right there. The second exercise, it's called the hundreds prep. This is for your core, this is strengthen your core, which will keep your spine nice and healthy. Bring the arms up to the ceiling. And you're gonna take an inhale. As you exhale, press the arms down. The head follows the hands and bring the arms all the way down to the mat. Deepen those abs. Take an inhale and exhale, rounding down. The head follows the hands all the way down. We're gonna do that again. Ready? Take an inhale, exhale, pressing down deep in the abs, strengthening that core. This is gonna keep us nice and young and healthy. And now rolling all the way down. And that's the second exercise, the hundreds prep.
Why do you call it 100? Well, you don't do 100 doing.
That's the prep. And then there's more advanced exercise is we do the hundreds. So that was the prep to the hundreds.
I like the prep.
Excellent. So now we're going to go on to the third exercise. We're going to sit up, ladies, okay? And we're going to cross our legs. This exercise is called the sitting rotation, okay? And we're going to bring the arms out to the side. Yep. To a letter T, drop those shoulders. Now I'm going to practice the breath. Sniff, sniff through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. Now we're going to twist the spine to the left, and we're going to double pulse. Sniff, sniff, and to the center. To the right, sniff, sniff. To the center. To the left, sniff, sniff. To the center. 1 more to the right. To the center. You're going to put your left hand down, and you're going to reach the right arm up and over, like you're going up and over a beach ball. And come up. And now we're going to put the right hand down. Reach the left arm up and over. And come all the way up. Now, this helps you increase your range of motion. Very important to not lose our range of motion as we get older.
And specific muscles, again, most of these are targeting multiple areas at
Yes,
once.
it's are targeting our core, our rotation, our side bending.
When you do these exercises, how long does it take to do a whole routine?
Well, we'd like to do a half-hour routine is great, and our Pilates class is perfect.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.